What is up, YouTube? We're back here. We're going to Greece. I'm about to take a medical school interview in the airport. Luke is flipping off drivers over here, but we'll let you know how things go. We're flying to Chicago first before we go to Amsterdam and then Athens. Like, comment, subscribe below. It's a sign. There's another bird. Just like the last airport. Oh my gosh. It's my last flight in the United States. Of course, I got a fried chicken sandwich. I'll let you know how it is. All right, guys. I don't know if it's because it's 3 p.m. and that was my first meal of the day, or if it's because it actually was, but that is up there for the best fried chicken sandwich in the world. By the world, I mean the airport. Yep. See y'all in 3 days. Here I am once again with a very short layover. Here we are in Chicago. Our plane boards in 2 minutes and we have a 21-minute walk. We'll let you know how it goes. We'll let you know. Yutka, my brother. Hey, dude. What are you most excited for?
I don't know yet. Hasn't hit me that we're going yet.
What's your favorite flavor of an icy pop?
I forgot.
Yeah, when's dinner?
We hungry.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, look at that butter chicken.
This is fine dining right here. Pinkies up.
This is weird. Hello, Amsterdam. Whatever that is. We just landed, about to go through customs. Yudko is pouring water on some poor old Greek man in the plane because he thought it was funny.
Hello.
We're about to meet Uncle Yenny. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Trains. Excited. Here we go.
I can't really see.
Syntagma Square. Remember this place?
No.
Yeah, he built this as a kid, guys.
I know.
So we're out here. We're tired. We're worn down. Feels like we've been out for 24 hours.
Never back down, never what?
We're gonna go get some food.
Oh, okay, guys.
Just found this arch. That's a car coming right at us. Don't really know what this is, but looks kind of cool. What do you think?
I agree.
Ka-chow.
Feeling devious.
Oh boy. Really have no idea what we ordered, but this is really good. Some fries, some souvlaki pork, more souvlaki chicken. What were your thoughts?
Scrumdiddlyumptious.
What do you think?
Excellent.
Pretty good. The meat was really good. The rest of it, not as good. What do you want to say to John June right now?
I'd love to give you a smooch.
I think yes.
Counts at one, fellas.
We're just out here eating gelato in front of the Acropolis. You know, this compares with the stuff in Italy. Might even be my favorite one ever. It's definitely up there in the running. Couldn't tell you exactly because it's been over a year, but it's really dang good.